Hey friends, welcome to my channel Anuproyas Learning. In this video we learn about affixes. If you like this video, kindly press the like button and share it among your friends. What are affixes? The particles, those are added before or after root or base words, are called affixes. Examples: main, word, use, affix, mis, new, word, misuse. Examples: main, word, kind, affix, ness, new, word, kind, ness. Examples: main, word, social, affix, anti, new, word, anti, social. Affixes are of two types: prefixes, suffixes. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to receive updates on new video.